Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 adults electric bicycles. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, URLIFE Folding E Bike. Specifications. Brand name, URLIFE. Model number, F1L. Style, multi-use design. Max speed, 25 km per hour. Range per power, 60 km. Wattage, 200 to 250 watts. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, brushless. Folded, yes. Frame material, steel. Product number 4, Tufli GS3. Specifications. Model number, Tufli GS3. Style, luxury type. Max speed, 25 km per hour. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Wattage, 200 to 250 watts. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, brushless. Origin, China. Folded, yes. Product number 3, Halo Knight H02. Specifications. Brand name, Halo Knight. Max speed, 25 km per hour. Wattage, 200 to 250 watts. Voltage, 48 volts. Power source, lithium battery. Folded, no. Color, black. Material, aluminum alloy. Torque, 65 Nm. Display, LCD screen. Top speed, 45 to 50 km per hour. Max range, 30 to 60 km. Charging time, 6 to 8 hours. Waterproof rating, IP54. Max load, 150 kg, 330 pounds. Net weight, 27.2 kg. Certificates, CE. Warranty, 12 months. Product number 2, Shimilo S600. Specifications. Brand name, Shimilo. Style, luxury type. Max speed, 25 km per hour. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Wattage, 200 to 250 watts. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, brushless. Folded, no. Wheel size, 26 inch. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Origin, China. Product number 1, MileCity 126-inch electric bike. Specifications. Brand name, Hillmilly S. Model number, MileCity 1. Max speed, 25 km per hour. Range per power, 60 km. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 36 volts. Wheel size, 26 inch. Motor, 250W brushless motor. Max torque, 42 Nm. Charging time, about 4 to 5 H. Transmission system, 7 gears. Display, LED display. Color, blue, gray, green.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.